King C. Gillette founded the safety razor company in 1901 in Boston. In his first 3 years of operation, he sold only 58 razors and 168 blades. A century later, the company that still carries his name totaled more than $9.2 billion in revenues in 2000. At the beginning of 2001, the Gillette company comprised 4 distinct business segments: personal grooming products, small appliances, oral care products, portable power. During the latter half of the 20th century, the Gillette company diversified into a number of businesses. Its acquisitions ranged from Papermate to Braun to Oral-B. It was rumored that Gillette was seeking a product line that fit well into its worldwide distribution channel. Duracell seemed to be the answer. In September of 1996, Gillette announced the purchase of the Duracell Corporation for $7.3 billion in stock. The purchase was overwhelmingly approved by Gillette stockholders and highly regarded in the investing community as well. The alkaline battery industry had 3 main manufacturers: Duracell, Energizer, Rayovac. While Duracell and Energizer had been competing for many years, Rayovac was a relatively new force in the industry. During the 1990s, electronic manufacturers also began entering the battery market, such as Sony, Panasonic, and Kodak. Gillette's earnings had been growing at 17% annually for the 6 years prior to the acquisition and boasted an excellent track record. The CEO at the time was very confident about the acquisition. Before its acquisition by Gillette, Duracell had been a leading producer of alkaline batteries in the US. Between 1991 and 1996, the company had experienced consistent growth in revenues of about 8% per annum. In May of 1997, Gillette announced restructuring plans at Duracell with an estimated charge of $283 million and anticipated layoffs of 1,700 jobs. The alkaline battery market was a hotly contested one, in which competitors continuously introduced a new product to outperform the other. Many courtroom battles ensued, springing from the intense competition in the market. 4 years after the acquisition, things were looking bleak. In September of 1999, Gillette announced a round of layoffs and a restructuring. 4,700 job cuts were implemented, and 14 plants shut down, primarily due to what they claimed as slumping sales in Asian and Latin American markets. Gillette's stock price had fallen 45% since its high in 1999, and gross profit showed a decline. In February of 2001, Gillette hired a new CEO, James Kilt, to take charge of the company that, according to analysts, had gone nowhere for 4 years. As a team of business consultants appointed by the board of directors of Gillette, Achievers will propose that, taking into consideration Gillette's overall performance, it should divest Duracell. Wisdom will propose that, taking into consideration Gillette's overall performance, it should retain Duracell. Who will convince the board?